Olympics are not the day that Simone Biles would have hoped for in the French capital. She's missed out on a fourth gold medal of the Games after finishing second in the floor final. That's after finishing fifth in the beam after stumbling a little bit earlier on today. Let's go live to Paris and speak to our reporter Miriam Walker-Khan. Good afternoon, Miriam. Not the sort of day that Simone Biles would have been hoping for. Just take us through it.
Yeah, like you said, it didn't start well in that beam earlier today. She came fifth after falling off, and if you fall off the beam, there's no way you're medaling in that event. So not a good start. She ran off to get ready for that floor final, and she got a silver in that. She was beaten by Brazil's Rebecca Andrade, who's now completed a set of all three colours of medals at these games. So not what Simone Biles would have wanted.
Les Jeux Olympiques et cette surprise tout à l'heure en gymnastique. Pas de quatrième médaille d'or pour Simone Biles après une chute à la poutre et une deuxième place au sol. On rejoint tout de suite notre envoyé spécial à l'Accor Arena, Cédric Ferreira. Bonjour Cédric, que s'est-il passé pour Simone Biles ?
Simone Biles espérait sans doute une meilleure journée ici à l'Arena de Bercy pour les dernières compétitions individuelles en gymnastique artistique. Simone Biles qui était engagée dans deux épreuves individuelles, donc la poutre et le sol. La journée a commencé par celle de la poutre et l'américaine de 27 ans a chuté lors de sa prestation. Et vous savez sans doute qu'en gymnastique, une chute c'est quasiment rédhibitoire si vous ambitionnez de terminer sur le podium olympique. Simone Biles a fini 5e. La même mésaventure est arrivée à sa compatriote Sunise Ali qui faisait également partie des favoris. Alors Simone Biles a eu une deuxième chance ensuite lors de l'épreuve du sol. C'est l'une de ses spécialités. Elle possède des enchaînements uniques d'ailleurs qui portent son nom. Elle les a réalisés ces enchaînements, Simone Biles, ce qui a fait soulever la foule ici évidemment à l'Arena de Bercy, est venue apercevoir la star américaine. Prestation presque parfaite, seulement presque. Pourquoi? Parce que Simone Biles a fait deux sorties de tapis. Et en gymnastique, au sol, si vous sortez du tapis, vous avez des points de pénalité. Et c'est ce qui lui a coûté une nouvelle médaille d'or, puisque c'est la Brésilienne Rebecca Andrade qui est donc la championne olympique ici au sol. Il y avait seulement 0,033 points d'écart entre la Brésilienne et l'Américaine. C'est un écart infime. Les pénalités donc lui ont coûté très cher à Simone Biles qui doit se contenter de l'argent.
The 27-year-old went on to compete in her last event, the floor final, stepping out of bounds twice during her routine. Biles was able to clinch the silver, being beat out by Rebecca Andrade of Brazil. Biles was joined by teammate Jordan Chiles on the podium, who brings home the bronze. Simone is leaving Paris with 4 total medals.
Rebecca Andrade is well aware of the challenging nature of gymnastics. It demands not only exceptional acrobatic skills, but also an immense level of mental strength.
I personally don't feel that much pressure, but of course, Brazilians really want us to keep delivering results, and we do too. But we need to stay focused, because if we get too caught up in expectations, I, for example, risk losing sight of what truly matters, myself and my performance.
Andrade's story reflects resilience, perseverance, and determination in a sport where athletes are prone to injuries. Between 2015 and 2019, she underwent 3 surgeries on the same knee, but despite those setbacks, she continued to excel. At 25, Rebecca has won 11 medals, 2 in the Olympics and 9 in World Championships, and is considered the best Brazilian gymnast of all time. Winning has brought accolades, but Rebecca says it is her personal story that motivates her. Born in a favela near São Paulo, she was raised by a single mother with 8 children, a family that sacrificed for her to realize her gymnastic dream since she was 5 years old.
The hardest part was the financial aspect. My mother walked to work so that I could use her bus pass to go to the gym with my brother. So I am very grateful to her and my siblings who made my dream possible.
She's arriving in Paris for her 3rd Olympics. She says more than winning medals, she wants to inspire girls like herself.
Regardless of where you come from, your financial situation, or your color, you have to believe in yourself and not let anyone stop you from reaching your goals.
Então, além de